working there? Do you have a double in there? So Chloe is just adding up her columns and her rows, and she's wrote down her sums, and she's circling her doubles to prove to me that she can use that sum in her total sum, okay, to try and win the game. All right, so she's all done. So let me show you what she did. So we took the first column, the top column, and we added all those digits up. So she's got a 3 plus a 2 plus a 4 plus a 2. Now, to prove to me that she can use that sum in her total sum to try and win the game, she needs to circle her doubles in that addition sentence. If that addition sentence doesn't have a double, then you cannot use that sum and add it up with the other sums to get a total sum. You can only use a sum if that addition sentence has a double in it. So circle those doubles to prove to your teammates and to me that you can use that addition sentence towards your total sum. Okay, so we have worked through adding up our columns and our rows, and we got our sums, and we have added those sums for total sums, okay? But I want to show you something that happened to somebody. One of us could not use all of our addition sentences because in one of our addition sentences there wasn't a double. Okay, so it doesn't matter who this was, but it was one of us. So in this second addition sentence, there was no double there. So we didn't even add them up because there was no double. So we couldn't use that sum towards our total sum. Okay, so if that happens, that's what you do. You just don't use that sum towards your total sum. Okay, so even though this person didn't get to use all their addition sentences, they still got a pretty big total sum of 47. Okay, guys, so we've all written out our addition sentences for all our columns and all our rows. We've got our sums. We've added those sums up for a total sum. So when we did our adding of our sums, there was regrouping that happened. So make sure you're showing me your regrouping, okay? So, Chloe, what was your total sum? My total sum was 50, and Cora's total sum was 71.
71.
Yes, so who won the game? Who had the greatest number? Cora did. All right. So an extension for us could then be how much greater was Cora's number than mine? And how much greater was Cora's number than Chloe's? Okay, and then maybe how much greater was my number than Chloe's? Okay, how much did we win by? How much did we beat her by? Or how much did you by? Okay. It's okay. Extensions are there. They can happen like that if you want to extend it. So always end with good game. Good game. Good game. Okay, so that's how you play the game. It's a simple game, pretty straightforward, but we're working on a lot of important math skills. So we're working on subitizing, number recognition. We're working on mental math, looking for friendly numbers and doubles. And then we're working on simple regrouping. Extensions are there if we want to talk about greater and less than numbers. So a game you can play with all ages. So that's on purpose so you can play with your family. I know some of you have little brothers and sisters, so super important. We've got kindergarten, grade 2, and we've got Miss Biffert, and they're all practicing really important skills for you. It's that in grade 3, it's that math vocabulary, and it's reviewing all these important things we've been practicing since kindergarten before week 3 comes along and I give you a new game and it's tricky. Okay, so I thought I'd give you a new game in week 2. Keep it simple. See if you guys can do it without me right there with you. If you have any questions, please get in touch with me, Google Classroom. But have fun and remember, math vocabulary. Bye.